Hey everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add post files, wikis, and different applications to Microsoft Teams. So if you use Microsoft Teams a lot and you want to add files or anything within the Microsoft E3 or E5 or Microsoft 365 environment, I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you why there's a reason you cannot do this. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, I'm here in my Microsoft Teams application, and at the top, you can see I'm in my general channel. Over here, I can move over to my Software Made Simple, which is the e-learning channel. So in Microsoft Teams, you have your main group or organization at the top here. And underneath your organization, you have your channels. So here you can see I made two channels. One is general and one is named Software Made Simple, which is our e-learning platform. So let's go to the general, and underneath general, you'll see post, files, wiki, and then the plus sign. So for troubleshooting purposes, if you are trying to add this into your general Teams account, you cannot do this unless you're underneath an E3 plan or underneath an organization where there's an administrator and you're working with Azure, or you have that updated plan, which allows you to enter specific groups, because within groups you can share different posts, files, wikis, and different applications within your organization. And I'm going to show you here. So as you come over here to the plus sign, you can see that these are the tabs for our Teams, because underneath Teams you can share different documents, whether it's a website, it's Word, it's Visio, it's PowerPoint, SharePoint, etc. You could also share YouTube links as well as files or posts. So if I come over here, I could select files, and you can download or you can open up SharePoint to include these. So this is the power of Microsoft 365 or E3 or E5, because you belong to a group, and underneath that group you have different channels. You could add different files within your organization, so you can share that with this collaboration tool. And that's the power of Microsoft Teams. But if you are using just a regular Microsoft Teams account that's not included in an organization, you're not going to see these links. So that's why when people were asking me with one of my other videos, they're saying, I don't get the upload, the download, share post files or wikis or different apps such as this. Why is that? So that's the reason, and this is how you add the files and the wiki and the other links to your team, to your channels in Microsoft Teams. So thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.